produced in the liver and are of two types, acetoacetate and beta-hydroxybutyrate. As ketone bodies are produced by breakdown of fats, ketosis is the most reliable indicator of fat loss. Ketosis is a completely physiological mechanism. It was Hans Krebs who first differentiated physiological ketosis from pathological ketoacidosis seen in type 1 diabetes 3. In physiological ketosis, which occurs during very low-calorie ketogenic diets, ketonemia reaches maximum levels of 7 to 8 mmol/L. It does not go higher because the CNS efficiently uses these ketones, and also there is no lowering of blood pH. In diabetic ketoacidosis, it can exceed 20 mmol/L with a concomitant lowering of the pH. For benefits and adverse effects of ketogenic diets. The ketogenic diet was originally developed in 1924 to treat epilepsy 5, but other, more recently discovered benefits include weight loss and reversal, control of type 2 diabetes 6. Use of ketogenic diets in weight management has gained tremendous popularity, but it has also generated several controversies. Some researchers suggest that there are no metabolic advantages with low-carbohydrate diets and that weight loss results simply from reduced caloric intake, probably due to the increased satiety effect of protein 7. However, the majority of ad libitum studies demonstrate that individuals who follow a low-carbohydrate diet lose more weight during the first 3 to 6 months compared with those who follow more balanced diets. Besides a positive effect on weight loss, studies have shown that low-carbohydrate ketogenic diets also reduce serum triglycerides dramatically. Elevated serum triglycerides are common among Asian Indians, and this is one of the features of the so-called Asian Indian phenotype 9. Reduction in total cholesterol and increase in high-density lipoprotein cholesterol have also been reported. A key enzyme in cholesterol biosynthesis is 3-hydroxy-3-methylglutaryl-CoA reductase, which is activated by insulin. This means that an increase in blood glucose and consequently of insulin levels will lead to increased endogenous cholesterol synthesis. A reduction in dietary carbohydrate will thus have the opposite effect, and this, coupled with the additional inhibition by dietary cholesterol and fats on endogenous synthesis, is likely to be the mechanism by which physiological ketosis can improve lipid profiles. Thus, low-carbohydrate ketogenic diets have been shown to have immense benefits in blood sugar control. There are some reported beneficial effects on cancer and neurological disorders such as Alzheimer's disease and epilepsy 10, although these are not discussed further here as it is beyond the purview of this article. However, there are also several adverse effects of ketogenic diets. These include muscle cramps, bad breath, changes in